Dear Elena and Elijah, and dear my fellow fathers, I do not permit myself to call any woman the B word. Again, this is the Operation Fatherhood channel here, trying to help encourage and build fathers since 2016 and help build the next generation. So again, Elena and Elijah, and to my fellow fathers, I do not permit myself to refer to women as the B word. So I was listening to a guy the other day. He's gotten kind of popular recently. I'm not going to say his name because I try not to talk too much about other people's channels. But and he was trying to talk to another woman about her issues. And I guess he got angry, upset, or whichever, and he referred to it as the B word. And I had to be honest, man. I know that's kind of popular in like rap music. I mean, it's been popular since I was a kid, popular in some rock songs. But I just can't ever get down with referring to another woman as a B word. Because no matter what, to me, even as popular as it got with women referring to each other as the B word, we know, I guess, being feminist or what have you, trying to change the definition or give it a new definition or something like that. It's still, the original definition was it was a female dog. So therefore, to me, it is highly inappropriate to refer to another woman as the B word. And I don't want my daughter to be referred to that. I don't want her to ever grow up in that mindset of, oh, okay, well, it's okay because other people are saying it. No, it was originally for the definition for a female dog. She is not a female dog. I do not refer to her as such. I would not want anyone else to do that. I do not refer to her mother by that word. So I've even heard comedians, joke about referring to a woman as that, and maybe they get away with it. Yeah, I kind of doubt it. But regardless, it was originally referring to an animal. My child is not an animal, so I always want her to know she's valued. And even with such labels, it devalues you. So again, don't call women the B word. Something to think about.